Unraveling the Mystery. Understanding, float by. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we are going to explore and understand the meaning behind the phrase, float by. This is a phrase that you might come across in everyday English conversations, and it's important to know what it means and how to use it correctly. So, let's dive in and get started. The phrase, float by, is a phrasal verb, and phrasal verbs in English can sometimes be tricky because their meanings are not always obvious from the words themselves. Float, on its own, means to rest or move on the surface of a liquid without sinking, like a boat does on water. By, in this context, means to pass or move past something. However, when these two words come together to form float by, they create a meaning that is different from their individual definitions. Float by is commonly used to describe a situation where time or opportunities pass without one noticing or taking advantage of them. It conveys a sense of passivity, where things are moving along, and one is not actively engaging or taking action. Example 1. I can't believe how quickly this year has floated by. It feels like just yesterday that it was January. In this example, the speaker is expressing surprise at how quickly time has passed. Example 2. Don't just let life float by. Make sure to take advantage of every opportunity that comes your way. Here, the speaker is advising someone not to be passive and to actively engage with life. Float by can be used in various contexts, and it's important to understand how to use it correctly. In conversations, it can be used to describe how quickly time has passed or how an opportunity was missed. In reflective or motivational settings, it is often used to encourage people to be more proactive and engaged in their lives. In casual settings, people might use it to express their astonishment at how quickly something has happened. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, float by. We hope that this video has helped clear up any confusion and that you now feel confident in understanding and using this phrase in your everyday English conversations. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and understanding the nuances of phrases like float by can really help in expressing yourself more accurately. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.